Hello friends, welcome back to J Studio, and in this video we are going to do an unboxing of this camera. That is a camera for our kids, that is children's digital camera from a company named Blessbe. I'm not sure about where this is, an Indian brand or Chinese brand. Okay, anyway, this is the package, and this is the pink variant, and there is a blue and green variant also. And I just brought this from Amazon.in, and it says children's camera, and you have that video capture option, then photo capture, connect to laptops or your PC, and it's ROHS complaint. And anyway, let's do the unboxing. And yes, of course, yes, these are the components that we get with this box. First of all, we get a paperwork, that is their channel, that is and we get a 50 rupees Paytm cashback when you just WhatsApp this invoice number to their WhatsApp number. So anyway, I'm not going to do that. And this is the user's manual, and they says their YouTube channel, their Instagram ID, blah blah blah. Anyway, Blissby, the brand, and it's better to read this user guide before using this camera. Okay, guys, let's just check out what's inside this box. First of all, we get that camera itself. Let's place it aside, and we get that micro USB to USB charging cable, and you can just connect this with your PC also. And there is a string that will be used to hang this camera in your with your kids. Okay, anyway, and nothing else inside the box. Now let's have a look at the camera itself. Yes, it's very small, and its finishing is very good. It's a kind of matte finish. It's a kind of rubber matte finish, and the lens is not movable. As you can see, it's a fixed lens, and it's very small as compared to my hand. It's very small, and it's also very lightweight. And as you can see, the screen there, this almost 3-inch TFT screen, and there is a shutter button over there, as you can see, and the power button and some other buttons, and I will be explaining this in the later part of this video. And there is also a screen guard there, and pressing and holding that button will turn on that camera, and it's kind of interesting in my opinion. The display also looks pretty good for this price range, and straightly we get the camera itself. This is the photo section, so you can see this capture images, and it says no SD card, so you have to insert an SD card so that you can capture images and take videos. So there is a SD card slot, there is a micro USB port and reset button, there is a mic port, and there is a speaker port. So it's pretty decent, and there is the lens and nothing on that side, and there is that place to use that, what is a string, and that is a fake lens there. And you can see I'm using a 2 GB SD card to take pictures. It's enough. A 2 GB SD card is enough to work with this camera, because the quality is, it's a very small size in quantity, or the image size is very small, so it's a 2 GB is enough to work with this camera. So just insert the SD card like this and push it like this. The lock system that we have already seen in many smartphones, or in years we have seen this kind of locking system. So just insert the SD card and just turn it on and capture images and videos. So let's check out what is the quality of this camera. Initially, I'm impressed by this product because it's a toy, right? So for a toy and for this price, this is pretty good. So as you can see, this is the picture that I have taken. So on that button, the right side, yes, this button, when you tap on for one, you get the video mode. When you tap again, you get the gallery. So this is how it works. So one tap to the video mode, again tap, we get that gallery, and this is how I take a video. As you can see, I'm taking a video with this camera, and just I'll show how it plays that video. And so guys, this is the playback quality in this camera. So guys, this is a toy, right? So for a toy, this is something pretty good in my opinion, and the sound quality is also just good. And the in-hand feel of this device or this toy is very good, and it's small, and it's good for small children, and what do you say, to enhance their photography skills in my opinion anyway. And it looks pretty good, and the quality, the finishing of this product is pretty good. So let's have a look inside the options, the what do you say, the specifications or the options available with this camera. And this is how it looks, and there is no focus option. It's a fixed focus camera, as you can see, and we can just capture images, and that's it, and take videos, and that's it, and play videos, and what is it, watch the images. That's it. That's the function of this camera. So now let's check out the functions. And on the settings button there we have that size option, that is we can take up to 1080p video option. As you can see, the what do you say, I'm not sure whether it is taking in 1080p or not. So we have 1080p, 720p, and again a VGA option there. And the what is it, the shutter button is the OK button, as you can see. And we have the time delay, and okay, it's pretty hard to use because it's small. And we can set the camera quality as we have 12 MP size. It says, I'm not sure, but I think it's 2 MP sensor. Okay, anyway, we can capture up to 12 MP, and we have the delete option there. So it's very hard to delete an image from this device, because you have to go to settings and push down and select the delete option, and then we have to select the confirm to delete an image. So this much option. And also we have some games also, snake, this kind of 5 games are there available with this device. So it's pretty good for children. You can capture images, take videos, and also play some games. And considering the battery backup is not that much great in my opinion. It lasts about 1 hour only. And this one also, this is very good and very interesting. Some frames, pre-installed frames are there with this camera, and also some filter modes, as you can see. And there is also negative mode also. So that's it. So guys, thus we are coming to the end of this video, the Blessbe small cam for your children. So guys, if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also the price of this device or this toy is 1300 rupees. Thanks for watching.